Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Zazzle for custom merchandise, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Zazzle website. Create an account if you don't have one. If you already have an account, log in to your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the Zazzle interface. Navigate to the Create tab on the main menu. Select Design your own product. Choose a product category that interests you. Browse through the available items, like t-shirts, mugs, and tote bags. Click on a specific product to start customizing. Once the product page loads, find the design area. Choose your preferred design method. You can upload your artwork directly or use Zazzle's design tools. If uploading, ensure your images meet Zazzle's quality guidelines. Drag and drop your image into the designated area. Adjust the size and placement of your design. Explore the customization options available, such as colors and fonts. Take advantage of Zazzle's design tools to enhance your product. Add text or graphics as needed for a personal touch. Review your design carefully before proceeding. When satisfied, click the Add to Cart button. Proceed to checkout to finalize your order. Follow the prompts to enter your shipping and payment details. Once everything is confirmed, place your order. Your custom merchandise is now ready for production. Check your email for order confirmation and tracking information. Monitor the shipping as your product is made and sent to you. Share your finished product on social media to showcase your creation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.